Hi everyone, welcome back to the Spanish Spot. Today we're learning something very useful, indirect object pronouns in Spanish. What are indirect object pronouns? Indirect object pronouns answer the question to whom or for whom an action is done. The pronouns in Spanish, here they are: me, to me, for me; te, to you, informal; le, to him, to her; to you, formal; nos, to us, for us; os, to you all, informal, only in Spain; les, to them, to you all. Word order. In Spanish, the pronoun usually comes before the verb. Example, él me habla, he talks to me. Yo te doy un regalo, I give you a gift. If the verb is in the infinitive or gerund, the pronoun can also attach to the end. Voy a darte un regalo. I'm going to give you a gift. Estoy contándoles una historia. I'm telling them a story. Now let's look at some examples with each pronoun. Me, ella me escribe una carta. She writes me a letter. Te, yo te explico la lección. I explain the lesson to you. Le, él le compra flores a su mamá. He buys flowers for her. Nos, ellos nos dicen la verdad. They tell us the truth. Os, yo os presto dinero. I lend money to you all. Les, el profesor les da tarea a los estudiantes. The teacher gives homework to them. And that's it. Now you know how to use indirect object pronouns in Spanish. Now practice by making your own sentences with me, te, le, nos, os, and les. If this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Spanish lesson here on the Spanish Spot. Hasta pronto.